welcoming community of musicians committed to preparing and performing exceptional choral music to enrich our lives and those of our audiences. The Sounds of Stow Chorus and Orchestra is excited to announce that we will be starting rehearsals at the end of August to prepare for a concert on November 21st. Think you might be interested in joining us? Try us out at our 3 open rehearsals to see if this is a group you might enjoy investing with your time, energy, and talent. No auditions are required. We call ourselves a self-audition group. This means we welcome anyone who can match pitch, learn the music, and blend with other voices. You are welcome whether you are just beginning your personal musical journey, or if you've already had the powerful and enriching experience that choral music can bring to your life. We do require all people attending to be fully vaccinated to ensure safety for everyone. Under the baton of our longtime artistic director, Barbara Jones, you'll be challenged and supported as you learn pitch, diction, rhythm, and phrasing, which will allow you to sing with confidence with the group. For over 42 years, the chorus and orchestra have presented classical works of great variety. In November, we will be performing the following: Oya Yelo's Sunrise Mass, Adolphus Hailstork's I Will Lift Mine Eyes Unto the Hills, and Christopher Tin's Sogno di Volare. These are all contemporary works by living composers, a perfect way to open a new season and chapter in our lives and the life of our musical organization. In March, we will perform Mozart's Great Mass in C minor. As is our tradition, the November and March concerts will be performed with the Sounds of Stow Orchestra. It is an amazing and uplifting experience to sing with a full orchestra, providing musical support and lending instrumental brilliance to the voices. In May, we will have a performance of Barnett's rousing The World Beloved, a bluegrass mass, and will be joined then by the energizing bluegrass group, Southern Rail. Open rehearsals are held at the Fellowship Hall of First Parish Church in Stow and Acton, August 30th, September 6th, and September 13th from 7 to 9:30 p.m. After that date, the rehearsals are on Monday evening, 7:30 to 9:30, also at the Fellowship Hall, 353 Great Road in Stow. All are welcome. Come and join us for a memorable experience of song and collegiality for all ages. If you're interested, please call 978-707-9887, leaving your name and a number where you may be reached, or check out our website at www.soundsofstow.org, or just come.